Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make raw coriander chutney. Everybody knows greens have several health benefits. Like jeera water, coriander leaves also detox our body. This is the easy recipe to add to our diet. Now take one bunch of coriander, remove the rotten leaves, wash it and keep. Now I'll show you the ingredients. Tomato, onion, green chilli, salt, coriander leaf, tamarind. Now in a mixie jar, add required amount of salt, coriander leaf, green chilli, onion, tomato. If you want, you can add small onion also, tamarind, water. Grind it finely. Now to season, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Add mustard seed, broken urud dhall, asafoetida. Mix it with green chutney. Thank you.